Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to Budget Outdoors with Jason. We're gonna make some fire starters today. Never, never seen anyone do anything quite like this, so we're gonna see how it goes. Um, got some candles here. We're gonna use some petroleum jelly, some jute twine, some cotton balls, coffee filters, and for the secret ingredient, dryer lint. At least that's what I'm hoping for. So the idea that we're gonna go with, alright, so I kinda wanna start with something like this. And we're gonna take, I don't know, a healthy little pinch of dryer lint. Something maybe like that. That might be kind of a lot. We'll play with some stuff. See how it goes. Pop open our petroleum jelly. Grab a handful out. Cotton ball. I'm gonna use tweezers. Kind of get it in there. Give it a nice little swirl. Seems like this stuff might be kind of dried up, but we'll see. Oh, that didn't work the way I hoped. Alright, so we're gonna just do one of these. Got the bulb in there. Mess around. Alright. Let go. Alright. So, supposing that works, we're gonna fold the dryer lint around the Vaseline. I'm gonna bundle this up. I'm actually gonna cut a little section of twine off real quick. Also, what I'm hoping this will do is dip it in wax to coat it all to waterproof it. I'll just trim this off just because it'll look a little neater. Maybe. And then yank the cord off to open it up and break the wax. So I'm gonna try making just a couple more of these. And alright, so for this section, I'm just gonna try to give these just a once over dip. Alright, so we have 10 of them. So, whole hopeful goal on this is that we use this to break this open, maybe. Oh, I don't know if I got this. So it kind of breaks open. Watch on. Alright, let's start the timer. So I'm going to start it. Put these in the water for a couple minutes. And I don't know if you'd see that. We're off. 5 minutes. So I'm gonna try, see if I can get this one lit. Took a little extra work, but we got there, I think. All right, yeah, we're at 17 minutes. I think we can go ahead and call it. So, yeah, thanks for hanging out. Glad you learned something. If you have any ideas, if you have a particular style that you like more, feel free to mention it in the comments down below. And yeah, I'm not sponsored or anything, so I just do this for fun. Hand me a like, maybe a follow if you're feeling generous, and I'll see you next time.